So ngayon, magbe-visit ako ng variety of antique shops dito sa San Diego sa aking Geiger counter. Magkahunt for mga radioactive antiques na give off ionizing radiation like uranium glass, radium glass, at ceramics. Ito mga antique walls I'm about to visit, na-visit ko din before. Pero, meron silang thing about them. Pag hindi mo din na-visit for a long time, magre-reload sila sa mga aisles with new items. Makahanap ka ng stock ng radioactive ceramics. 10 months later, meron diyang new added sa shelves at grouped. That's what yung mga antique shops, mga radioactive finds, fun. Check out mo itong huge pile of ESWers, plates, cups, at bowls. Ito sila mga great pieces up, of course, yung mga orange ones ay radioactive. Ngayon, yung reason why bakit ito mga orange pottery ay radioactive, kasi meron silang treated uranium oxide added siguro sila para bigay yung orange color. Check this out. Ito ay gas lantern mantle. Ito ay radioactive kasi yung thorium present at itong purpose to produce a bright long-lasting light. Ginagamit ko to aking Radai PRD para to-check itong lantern mantle, pero itong PRD ay a little different. Ito ay sodium iodide crystal scintillation detector. Nakafound ako ng another piece of uranium-based pottery at ito ay pitcher. Another cool find. Again, using ko itong PRD to check how high yung gamma is. Ito seems like typical reading ng 230 counts per second. Ito hindi uranium glass. Ito ay thorium glass which you can tell sa mga yellowish color. Also, yung aking Radai PRD nagpipick up higher rate than usually sees sa uranium glass, 50 to 90 counts per second. We're down dito sa antique shop number 2. This one's a large one. It's located sa Pechanga Arena at SeaWorld San Diego. At let's see what we'll find. Again, ito ay thorium glass at natitel mo sa slight yellow tint at how yung Radai PRD responds sa gamma rays. Picture. Ito ay isa pang another cool find here. Ivory colored PSR piece as slightly radioactive. Itong piece was made sa 1930s at the same place sa uranium oxide at yung orange one to get yung color pero less amounts used. Ito looks like a unique find since ito hindi ay solid orange color. It also had depleted uranium oxide against light yellow color tint. Check out mo itong interesting thing na pahanap ko. Radioactive fossilized shark teeth. Ito ay millions of years old. At thanks to them, ay radioactive ay yung natural minerals na absorb nila over time, like parang uranium or other trace minerals sa surrounding sediment. Never ko na-seen this sa Antique before. Here we are dito sa Third Antique Mall sa Ocean Beach, also malapit sa SeaWorld San Diego. Silverware are often associated sa wealth and skillful work. Ito has all been displayed sa many antique malls I've been to. Even though ito ay common sigon, ito is still valuable metals sa past. Ngayon, papunta na ako dito sa Port Antique Shop. Ito yung mga paborito ko. Ito yung tiny one. Check out mo itong pile of Christopher plates, cups, at bowls. At yung ivory ones ay radioactive. Pero hindi ko see yung orange one in the stack. Itong pottery says Coronado. Pero hindi ibig sabihin made sa Coronado, California. Ito ay part ng Lady McQueen Pottery. Check out mo itong huge display ng uranium glass glowing under UV light. Ito mga pieces are both beautiful at radioactive. Tingnan natin how yung radioactivity response. Kung lahat ito ay thorium glass, yung radioactivity mag-read 100 plus counts per second since yung gamma emission amounts. Maraming dito different brand radioactive waste made sa California 1930s. Tignan mo how far yung aking radiation detector nag-detect ng uranium plate, probably 2 plus feet away. Yung because I sensitive to beta radiation. Beta particles are basically high-speed electrons na travel sila around 6 feet sa air. Check out mo computer timetable. Some parts of tiles meron na uranium glaze, giving it vibrant orange color. Sila ay safe to handle unless unsafe sila pag na-smash mo at hitting yung dust may kasamang radioactive particles in it. At let's see if there's anything radioactive dito sa pile nito. Hindi ko na-find anything radioactive since hindi sila made sa 1930s, rather modern. Ito ay slightly radioactive George Washington picture. Ito ay na-interesting find since hindi ko na-find this sa mga antique malls na puntahan ko. Interesting George Washington cup find. Meron itong pile of uranium glass. Try natin yung UV light para check na yung glow. Matatamo how will yung radioactivity response ko yung glass kesa sa yung stack ng uranium glass. Yung owner actually binigyan ko itong uranium plate sa as a gift. Hindi ako exactly sure anong brand it is since walang logo sa back. Pero ito really nice piece. Hindi ako never been given a gift sa antique shop before. Maraming radioactive antiques sa tiny shop. Ito yung bakit one of my favorites. At yung owner too ay really cool at friendly to talk. Meron recently to another consignment classics near San Diego International Airport. Yung other one na punta ko ay San Diego's largest vintage at antique mall. Ito one, hindi ko na-visited before. Itong Tom and Jerry Mixing Bowl, gawa sa Homo Laughlin. Nagproduce sila ng mga ceramics at uranium glazes with a slight yellow tint. Na-found ko itong radio clock na seems to be missing yung glass cover. Na-surprise ako yung radiation levels below the talking cover. At in-expect yung reading to be higher. This is covered by blocking alpha particles. Nakapound another large piece of thorium glass here. Itong final antique shop pupunta ko seems to have nautical African decor style. Pero to just perspective ko, ito yung interiors is gonna visit ang antique shop. Check out mo the huge collection of cameras. Ito actually yung first time ko finding camera lens with thorium in it. Most of the lenses na come across are usually hindi radioactive. Manufacturers nag-add silang thorium dioxide ang camera lens para improve the image quality, reduce distortion, at chromatic aberration. Hindi ko pa nakakita dito pasok natin. It seems like a unique find. Pag na-enjoy mo itong video, pakibigay mo ng like at don't forget to subscribe for more content.